Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up D-Link DIR-615 wireless router. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the D-Link DIR-615 wireless router is a compact wireless router designed to provide reliable Wi-Fi connectivity for homes and small offices. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, turn off your modem. Connect the modem's Ethernet cable to the Internet/1 port of the DIR-615. Connect your computer to one of the router's LAN ports, 1 to 4, using an Ethernet cable. Power on the modem and wait for it to come online. Power on the DIR-615. D-Link recommends using a wired computer connection for initial configuration because it reduces the chance of losing the connection while wireless settings are being changed. Open a browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Enter the router's default IP in the address bar, 192.168.0.1. Now enter the login credentials. The username is admin and the password is, leave blank or use admin if required. After logging in, the D-Link setup wizard may start automatically. If not, navigate to Setup and Internet Setup. Choose your connection type based on your ISP. Save settings and reboot if needed. Now go to Wireless Settings and then Manual Wireless Network Setup. Change the SSID, Wi-Fi name, to your preferred name. Set security mode to WPA2PSK, recommended. Set a strong Wi-Fi password, minimum 8 characters. Save settings and reboot. Now restart the router. Connect devices to the Wi-Fi using the new SSID and password. Ensure the internet is working properly. Now setup complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.